then the title would be house tour. And the background's this. Tricked you guys. This is not actually our house. What? What? Sherry isn't a billionaire yet. What? Guess who I'm with? Akiho-chan!
Hello.
We made the impulsive decision after going out last night and had a cheeky sleepover that we're gonna go to Chiba. So, let's go to Chiba! Yay!
I like this.
Do we have boyfriends? No. Do we have any plan of getting married anytime soon? No.
But I want weddings like these. Like flowers, greens.
I'm just a girl in the world.
Lots of green.
Comment down below what your dream wedding is gonna be like. We're hungry.
We need some lunch.
You know, I'm not even gonna argue that. Yeah. So many people. Kawaii desu ne. Daijoubu? Wow. Disney. 行かないけど。ディズニー一応あります。I like the universe. Oh, whoa, she's so kind. I went to Disney Sea. Yeah, どっちも行ったと思うんだけど、I like Disney Sea better.
Sea is a lot more fun.
Yeah.
Personally, I enjoy sea more. Like Disneyland, I also like, but like for the vibes. I don't know, rides are quite old, so.
ディズニーランドはもっとなんかキャラクターと会ってショー見てみたいな感じでしょ。
I don't know, even sea has more of like vibes. So like if anyone's going there with their partners, or like if anyone wants to take me, take me to Disney Sea. Please.
And if you want to take me to Universal Studios. リゾートゲートウェイステーションだって。
昨日と服一緒なんだけど。
え？
昨日と服一緒。
あ、それ誰もわかんない。誰も知らない。誰も。Hello gang. Welcome to where are we? Xperia. So follow me.
Oh yes, I will. I'll come with you.
To the right we have the Disney store for all the Disney otona.
It's like me.
Not that I know any.
Oh.
Yeah, if you're a Disney adult, there you go. We also have, on the left, we have Titan. It's how I'm built as well. It's my people, Titan, tall and strong. Have the bro Mickey on our right. Actually, my distant cousin. Oh, there's a cinema. Maybe we can watch movies.
Yeah, we can watch movies too.
Kua Aina.
Yeah, that's like a Hawaiian burger.
Guzman Gomez. Allegedly a very good Mexican restaurant. I don't really know. I've never eaten there, but my friends like it. Oh, yakiniku だって美味しそう。
ブリトーだって。
ブリトー。ブリブリ What's Plaza?
Have you not been to Plaza?
化粧品とか
Yeah. You've been living here for how many months?
Sherry exposed doesn't know anything about Tokyo. Rosso. Fabuloso. We have a restaurant in the Rainforest Cafe if you want to experience the rainforest of the Chiba. Oui, oui. Have you ever tried this one?
I'm more of like this way.
Oh, Bobo class. Face card. Whoa! That's me when I'm ovulating. Oh, wow. Beautiful.
I am going to excuse myself to ohanatsumi ni itte kuru.
What does that mean?
Have you not heard the saying? Oh, it basically means if you say like ohanatsumi ni iku, means like you're going to pee. And if you say like baraotsumi ni iku,
You're gonna go shit.
well, I'm going to get my flowers.
Hey, so meal option number 1. Meal option number 2. Dreamy like whitey. Question of the day: which Kardashian would you want to be friends with? Wow, great answer. I agree. What about you?
Chloe.
What do you think they're talking about? They're so invested.
Oh, the family over there. Oh, like my uncle just cheated on Chiba. That's why. What should we do?
Really?
Like she doesn't know it. She doesn't know about it yet. What do you think?
すごい暗い話になっていい？ひいじいちゃんがもう死にそうになって。
遺産相続の話。
ってみんな集まってみんなねいろんなとこから集まってそのつけどうするみたいな話。
ここで？
そう。でももうじいさんだいぶ年いってるから It's not like a sad thing. We all kind of saw it coming.
Got you.
美味しいドレッシング。
ピーチかな。
So nonchalant of us. See, New Zealand could never. For $20? Girls, I want you to know that this is the type of channel that we endorse eating. Even after you had a full meal. If you like something, order more. Save space. Don't wanna laugh for Christmas.
There's one thing. No.
Chopped. There is just one thing I need.
And I
Don't care about the present. Here you go, fam. If you ever want to visit Disneyland without visiting Disneyland, this is the vibe. Because we're not in Disneyland either. Wow, so beautiful. Not manifesting that. We are making financial decisions
yes.
to not go to the land of the Disney.
Right now, the tickets are so expensive.
And we, as smart businesswomen, think that is not a smart investment.
Yeah. And
Thus,
imagine us in a couple days actually being No, it doesn't matter because we're gonna have a great time.
And that's an investment in our happiness. I agree. Girl math.
Just girl math and go.
Face card, body's OT.
Body's OT.
Body's OT. Thumbnail. The intro. That was clickbait, guys. I'm so sorry. We never actually went to Disneyland, but here is a vlog of when we decided to go to Chiba without going to Disneyland. There you go. Great. Kia ora whanau.
Kia ora whanau. Hi to my
MTV, welcome to my crib. Welcome to our house tour, guys. This is Akiho's house.
This is only the entrance.
Oh, wow.
You have to walk quite a bit, but I'm sure my house is going to be nice and beautiful and ready to accompany everyone. And I have so many guest rooms, like that.
Oh wow! Is that all the
guest house?
guest house?
Yes, this is the guest
Wow!
house. Yeah, my house is actually over there.
Oh, you can kind of see it. Okay. Wow! What a beautiful house. Who was the architect? You don't know any architects?
You know, because I just paid this person and he does everything for me. He's my right hand pretty much.
Is he like a Swedish person? And like he owns this really niche furniture brand called, I think it's called IKEA, I think?
No,
it's a Swedish person, I don't know.
IKEA, that's what it's called.
That's what
it's slightly different. I think what everyone remembers is like IKEA, which is like not the brand that I usually go for.
It's like the niche underground version.
Yes, pretty much. It's the original because IKEA copied us or his brand. So he's actually really upset about it, but I'm being pretty staying loyal to this person.
Brand loyalty.
Yes.
I see.
And then he does all the design for me, which is great. And also the music as well. He put the music.
Personally composed.
Yes.
Wow, that's crazy.
And then Disneyland decided to like copy all of it. I know, they're just a greedy company.
Wow.
A greedy franchise. They just took it off of me, but that's okay because I'm a generous person and I think everyone should share what my living style is, so.
You're about to Koha donations.
yes, pretty much.
Yes. Oh, you're so generous. Wow, this guest house is beautiful.
I actually don't know how many of my friends are staying at the moment.
Wow.
And sometimes I just go to visit and I say hi. And then,
I see.
Yeah, like sometimes I just had a good conversation. Sometimes I don't. Or sometimes they have a bad conversation. Or sometimes I'll just leave them alone because,
just the hospitable.
Yeah, or like,
like
you know, they're just in the business like time to time. And I can't just join the conversation. Yeah. But yeah, this is the gate. So I have to have a good security.
You have to protect yourself.
Yes, so I have a good security, but like all of you guys are welcome. Sherry, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you so much.
All the people that fucks me over, they can fuck off and then they ain't coming to my house. But everyone else, all welcome.
Who are these people at your house right now?
I actually don't know. I give certain areas of my house to charity.
Oh, so generous.
I recently built some trains to get around my house.
Yeah.
This is one of the stations right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
So that like they don't have to walk around like such a long time. So
No, I heard that Walt Disney,
yes.
the W in Walt actually stands for Akiho.
Oh yeah. Yeah. You see how like two A's like upside down stick together for W, and used to be just your W A's that goes down that way. It's like separate.
Wow, that was so inspirational.
Thank you. Thank you. This is my guest house. Guest house. I don't even live there, but for you guys.
Welcome to my house. And then the title would be house tour. And the background's this. So what? So beautiful. This is what being rich and successful and having an entire massive house does to you. Exhausted by 7 p.m.